Today we are going to take a look at how to install this Koda Slim 15-inch LED ceiling light from Costco. If you haven't done this before, it's easier than you think. So take a look and give it a try. Let's start from unboxing. The name is here. It has two colors, 4000K and 2700K. You can change colors using your light switch. Let's take a look at what's inside. This is it. Let's look at the manual first. Always read the manual. Let's take a look at the light itself. Let's take a look at the back. The ground wire is not connected yet. It's actually inside this light case, so you will have to connect it yourself. I'll show you how to do it in a bit. The design is pretty nice. I like it. So let me turn this and open it. Here is the ground wire I was talking about. Ground wire is usually bare copper or green like this. Let's unhook this so we can separate this top cover here and this power cable too. You just press the button here and then just pull it out. This is the electric device and this is the light itself. Looks good, I like it. Let's go install this light. Today I'm going to replace this old light here. Make sure you turn the breaker off at the fuse panel to kill the power. Make sure you do this before doing anything. Remove the cover and rotate the light fixture and remove it. Now we get a few wirings. You need to twist the wiring nut counterclockwise to disconnect the wirings. Let me clean up the wires a little. This is where you're going to connect the ground wire. I'll just remove this and get the washer and the bolt. There you go. Put the washer first and then the bolt, then just screw it in. Now we have three wires: black hot wire, white neutral wire, and green ground wire. The electricity comes in through black wire, then goes back to a breaker through white wire. Bare copper wire is the ground wire, which gets connected to the green wire we saw before. Ground wire lets electricity go back to the ground or breaker when something goes wrong. Twist this wire nut until you feel some resistance and try pulling each wire. Let's do the same for the neutral wire, which is white wire. Wire nut. Twist, twist, twist. Last one, hot wire. Oh, this is why you do a pull test, so you know for sure that wires are connected securely, so it doesn't get loose. Yep, I think this is good now. Let's put all the wires inside. Let's put this up again. If it's a bit loose, use the screws to tighten it a little. Use that hook and then connect the power cable. There you go. Now I'll go back to the breaker, turn it back on, and turn the light on, off, on, off. As you can see, if I flip the switch fast enough, the color changes. Can you see the difference? Let me make it easier for you. Because I took this video with my raw camera app on my phone, the colors are not very accurate. But the one on screen left is warm white, screen right is natural white. I really like it. Makes the room a lot brighter and nice. So what do you think? It's a lot easier than you thought it would be, right? Electricity might scare you and make it sound more difficult than it is, but if you make sure the breaker is off and be careful on the ladder, changing the light fixture could be safe and fun. That's it from me for this video. If you liked this video and found it useful, please hit that subscribe button and like the video. It will help a lot to grow this channel. Thank you. See you all next time.